pretty good flying job there. Oh, there's Paul, priming the smoke system on his extra. He can switch it off and on with his radio whenever he wants it. All these airplanes fly with a 72 or 2.4 gigahertz radios, usually from 4 to 7 channels. Every control on the airplane is controlled by a separate servo. The range on the radios are about as far as someone can see. And they're very, very reliable. There's an onboard receiver with a battery pack that runs all your servos in your receiver. Paul's smoke system on here is an electric pump also that runs off a battery. It's switched through his transmitter. Radios have 4 sticks on them, which are for control. They control the primary functions of the airplane. On the right stick, up and down, controls the elevator, which controls pitch. The right stick also moves right and left, which controls your aileron for banking. The left stick, up and down, is throttle control. And the left stick, left and right, which is rudder control.
I've got one, you're flying. That's really cool. Okay, so that's yours.
Yeah, that's Ron Harway at the controls at Jumpy, and doing a great job so far. I can see why the first parachute left the plane. He was pretty scary. It looks like it's down in the field over there. Unfortunately, that's a regular part of our hobby. If you're going to fly an airplane, you know sooner or later it's going to come down sooner than you wish. Yes, Jumpy's radio controlled. He's got servos on it which moves his arms, which actually controls the 2 sides of the chute. So Ron's steering them and bringing them right down into location. Great job. Nice job, Jumpy. I think he needs a big round of applause for that landing. I guess the problem with the aircraft that Bill reports is he lost elevator control.